For many years, crypto market specialists have been working really hard to deliver a computerized resource, the biggest digital currency. That would be a one-stop answer for tending to all matters concerning versatility, between tradability and power. Every one of the obstacles and innovative whimsies encompassing digital forms of money were settled when Charles Hoskinson authored Cardano. Before we start with Cardano cost expectation, we should find out about Cardano's outline, history, and highlights. Charles Hoskinson, fellow benefactor of Ethereum himself, didn't realize that he was in for sensational increases when he made spontaneous creations in his esteemed computerized posterity, making Cardano wipe out all imperfections and impediments, giving the world a one-stop arrangement. Cardano network battles all impediments concerning versatility, interoperability, and administration. Allow us to examine a portion of its exceptional elements. One upheld by a devoted group of experts working really hard to guarantee the instrument of Cardano is tailor-made to suit financial backer necessities. 2. In every minute of every day non-stop visit and email support guarantee financial backers generally partake in the essential hand-holding while at the same time doing any exchanges. 3. Setting higher client benchmarks. This digital money market means to create substantial profit for every one of its financial backers. 4. Being an open-source code program. The usefulness of Cardano works on completely clear straightforwardness as well as exchange privacy in the organization. It will give unrivaled security to dApps and social orders. 5. The zero exposure proof places the power in the possession of a definitive client, working with the whole exchange system's numerical consistency. 6. The system of the Cardano blockchain is conceptualized to the point that it guarantees lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the organization. 7. Cardano can trap fake or false exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block can follow the former block. 8. ADA proprietors can procure prizes by imparting their stake to a stake pool run by others, or they can run their own stake pool. The people group at the Cardano project plans to convey financial increases to the clients by the organization. It bears the benefit of teaching and cautioning them on all the lowdown of the crypto world. The establishment gave to Cardano establishment's task has support from Information Result Hong Kong and Emergo, taking on the total contract of liability towards financial backer social reason. Emergo upholds business reception, and IOHK cares for the surface. Together, they edit the imaginative peculiarity woven into Cardano innovation, composing formal techniques points of interest. The entire portfolio is carefully examined and evaluated by experts before a public delivery. Cardano People Group is profoundly forceful in spreading mass attention to the advanced resource ADA supported by schooling on blockchain and DeFi areas with ministers, promoters, and industry specialists. Leaving a worldwide impression upheld by articulate methodologies makes Cardano stand apart from its companions and fundamentally influences different industry fragments. Cardano. The new overhauls. There were a great deal of moves up to Cardano's brilliant agreements in the new past. Alonzo Purple was the most significant redesign. The Alonzo Purple update got a gigantic change. Brilliant agreements. It has opened the entryways for non-fungible tokens and upset the chain. In addition to that, Cardano saw 100 million dynamic wallets back in May. However, the quantity of the crypto wallet has multiplied to 200 million over the most recent half year. Presently, the organization will have the help step up its versatility to more readily oblige the new clients. Hydra is a Layer 2 scaling answer for Cardano, and it helps push the organization for business use. It will present 1,000 Hydra hubs fit for dealing with 1,000 exchanges each second, assuming it is valid. Cardano will be the most noteworthy scaling network on the planet. Cardano Value History and Specialized Examination. Cardano is the 7th biggest digital money by market capitalization. Cardano's local token, ADA, has a colossal market cap of $12,953,826,843. The development in ADA is mostly because of the lift in its utilization cases. As of late, the Cardano network has declared one more move up to make the exchange smooth and simple. Nonetheless, 2022 has not been entirely ideal for most digital currencies, including the crypto lord, Bitcoin. ADA's cost throughout the previous 7 days has been exchanging a scope of 31 cents to 38 cents. After ADA's cost hit $1.59 in January, it persistently exchanged at lower values. It even neglected to hold its drawn-out help of 40 cents. ADA endeavored a recuperation, showing a seriously bullish example supported areas of strength for buy in spite of the unfavorable market patterns from mid-walk. Subsequent to coming to the $1.20 mark, the cost of Cardano confronted a huge remedy and fell beneath $1. As indicated by our ADA coin cost expectation for the following couple of years, the token is assessed to have forward movement. Likewise, taking into account the cryptographic money market's unpredictability, the Cardano cost can either contact the sky or hit a hard base from now on. At present, the value activity of Cardano reflects negative force. A DA, USD could keep on confronting transitory remedy up to its past help of 13 cents. In any case, according to our Cardano expectations, the money will record a cost recuperation when the market settles. The ADA coin showed range-bound exchanging, and for the leftover days of the year, our Cardano cost expectation 2022 demonstrates a constant union in the cost, and the ADA cost will most likely be unable to cross the 35 cents mark. In any case, the cost could begin serious areas of strength for a following a couple of months in 2023. Cardano value expectation 2023 as per our ADA figures. The coin might exchange a scope of 33 cents to 80 cents for the year 2023, where the base cost is 33 cents. And the greatest cost is 80 cents. Simultaneously, the typical ADA and incentive for the year might be around 56 cents. ADA value expectation 2024. The base and most extreme costs for the year 2024 for the ADA token are supposed to be around 64 cents and 97 cents. Simultaneously, the typical cost, according to our Cardano cost estimate, is supposed to be around 81 cents. Cardano value forecast 2025 to 2025 is the year when at last the coin might cross its $1 mark again, with a most extreme exchanging worth of $1.32, while the base future cost is supposed to be 86 cents. Simultaneously, the typical ADA cost may be $1.09. Cardano expectation 2026. The ADA cost could change somewhere in the range of $1.17 and $1.79 in 2026, where the previous is the most minimal cost and the last option is the greatest cost for the year, according to our Cardano cost expectation. The typical worth expected for the year is $1.48. Cardano value expectation 2027 as indicated by our ADA cost forecast. The base, normal, and most extreme costs for the year are supposed to be $1.41, $1.78, and $2.15 separately. Cardano has been one of the most dynamic crypto resources, and on the off chance that you purchase Cardano at its ongoing worth, dealers can acquire incredible benefits. ADA coin value expectation 2028 in view of past execution and Cardano figure for 2028. The base and greatest costs are supposed to be around $1.82 and $2.78, while the typical ADA cost might be $2.30 for the year 2028. Cardano value expectation 2029 according to our ADA cost forecast. The base and greatest costs might be around $1.96 and $2.99 in 2029. Simultaneously, the typical worth is determined to be $2.47. The cost change for the year according to our ADA gauges is supposed to be over half. Cardano value forecast 2030 when it is 2030. Our ADA cost expectation 2030 predicts that the coin might exchange a scope of $2.59 and $3.96. Simultaneously, our Cardano value expectation 2030 recommends that the typical worth might be $3.28 all year long. Subsequent to raising a ruckus around town the ADA coin will progress forward the upswing. The Cardano gauge recommends that the ADA cost could cross the greatest cost of $2.77 toward the